What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Had a lot on my mind, so I decided to get up, get out, and go for a walk. To me, the best thing to do to clear your mind is to either go for a walk or go for a nice run. So, enjoy me on this adventure. Let me show y'all something. We're walking downtown, close to one of the state buildings, and let me show y'all what we do as human beings in the name of construction and expanding our reach. This once was a field of trees. I don't know if they're gonna use it for mulch or something, but it doesn't look like much. Now I'm showing y'all this not because it's just like a pile of mulch, but the sheer size of it is crazy. It doesn't look like much right now, but where my hand level is, let's say it's like 5'8", so it's got to be like 12 foot tall. I just thought that was crazy. You know, on a short I posted the other day, I mentioned about, taking advantage of the little things and being out in nature. So it's one of the main reasons I decided to get out. But on top of that, you know, am I the only one that's been struggling a lot lately, like mentally, emotionally? And I know a lot of the stuff that's going on TV and the media can't help, but I was just wanting to know if I was the only person out there feeling that. And if I wasn't, are you able to talk about it? Just being able to deal is a challenge in itself, which is why I decided to get out. My blood pressure was real high yesterday, and it was only at a dental visit that they started mentioning that. And once they start mentioning blood pressure, and they start making it seem like it's the end of the world, just a lot on top of everything else, trying to figure out how I'm gonna sit down for a minute, how you're gonna make your ends meet, or if you're trying to start a business, making sure that business stays afloat. Outside of the main things that people do for businesses, trying to do yours outside of the box is tough, and it just wears on you sometimes. So instead of staying in the house, sleeping in, I wanted you guys to start getting out. And even if you're not a nature person, just get outside and go out on the porch or walk down the street or something like that instead of staying in. So right now I am near the fairgrounds in our city, and it's nice out here. And I'm gonna go on a nature trail. I'm gonna show you the part of the trail that we have here in Jeff, let you guys see that. I had never been on the trail myself, so I wanted to do some of the same stuff, and I can't tell you guys to get out and if I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna get out and give you guys a look at it, a look at the KT trail, and we can just enjoy some of this outside together. It's just one of many of the city's lakes. A lot of fishing going down in here. It's just a good day to walk. Now I'm getting ready to go on the county nature trail. First time I ever done this. And you know how it goes. A lot of us don't do this. But I'm doing this today. I don't know which side I'm going to go. Sound like I heard something in there. I don't know which side I'm going to go in on. I think we're gonna go down this way. Yo, this is the first time I've done this. Let me take a pause. Let you guys know this is the first time I've ever been on a trail like this. See if we get some more light. I have to go pick up a stick just in case I gotta hit a spider web or All right, it's a clear pass. And you guys can kind of see what we're looking at right here. We got a nice shot of a butterfly. So I can get close to it. Going back for it because I wanted to show you something. Where'd it go? There it is. Yellow signs of sewer outlet, so I knew I smelled some dookie back here. But let's go. I think I zigged when I should have zagged. That was not, it was like a small trail. It wasn't a really big trail. It was like a circle, maybe something for the kids to do across from the park. But it was all right. At least I went in there, did something different. There's some spider webs on here. Went around there and did something different. Can say I did it. Hi guys, this is a few days later after our walk. I got bit up by chiggers out there on that nature walk. Those chiggers completely ate my ankles, my back, my entire body up. I would show you, but I don't want to embarrass anybody out there. But I did get ate up. And let's see, I might be able to give you guys a picture of my ankle. Man, those things just tore me up. If you ever got bitten by chiggers, man, they're terrible. As a kid, we used to get them all the time, but I do not remember them being this bad. So I don't know if it was they just got on steroids now, but it was terrible. But I did enjoy the walk. I did have fun. I did and was able to clear my head and just get some good video and some good content. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sometimes we always don't need to talk about the heavy stuff. Sometimes we do, but sometimes we don't. So this is one of the times and some of the different stuff that I want to do and continue to make good content. Until next time, everybody, peace.